Decoding Grocery Shopping. Understanding the bulk aisle. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to explore a term that you might come across while shopping in English-speaking countries, the bulk aisle. If you're curious about how to shop smart and save money, or if you're simply expanding your vocabulary, this video is for you. The bulk aisle in a grocery store is where shoppers can purchase food items and sometimes non-food items in large quantities. These items are usually stored in large bins or containers, and customers can take as much or as little as they need. This section of the store offers a variety of products like grains, nuts, spices, and candies. Shopping in the bulk aisle has several advantages. It's often cheaper to buy in bulk since you're not paying for individual packaging. It's environmentally friendly, reducing waste from packaging materials. Plus, it allows you to buy the exact amount you need, which means no more spices expiring in your cabinet or half-used bags of lentils. To make the most of the bulk aisle, bring your reusable containers to avoid using plastic bags. Label your containers with the PLU code, price lookup code, for the cashier. And don't forget to weigh your container beforehand if you're using your own so that its weight can be deducted from the total. We hope this video helps you navigate the bulk aisle with confidence and adds a valuable concept to your English vocabulary. Happy shopping and learning! Remember, the bulk aisle is your friend for saving money, reducing waste, and customizing your pantry. See you next time.